Hello everyone. If you're watching this video, that means you're looking for a program which can handle uniforms for your employees and you're having trouble. This program is basically built as a web app over a Google Sheet. So it's free to use, it's for lifetime. You won't have to buy any monthly or yearly or weekly subscription. It's a free thing to use, but you'll have to buy it once for so in this, you can issue uniform, you can return uniform, you have options to add new uniforms, add inventory, remove inventory, manage employees, and create different kind of reports by inventory, summary by employees, and all those things. So the way it will work is that once you buy this thing for certain price, which I will mention, you can basically get this sheet. And once you get this Google Sheet, all you have to do is go to File, create a copy, and create a copy of, let's say, Mike's. That's we are Mike is buying from this sheet, and let's say, and Mike just bought this sheet from me, and he will create a copy and may rename it with his own account, and that's it. And now, once he has that copy, all he has to do is enter the usernames he wants to issue. Let's say instead of Rohel, he want to have a name Mike and password will be, let's say, ABC for now. And other username will be Lara and password will be 123456. And now he can say Mike's restaurant. He can customize it with his own name and branding. So this is how it will be done. That is it. This is how he will set up the web app. Next thing is to deploy the web app. He will go to extensions, app script, and in app script, you basically can see the code. It's a long 3000 lines of code which has both index files and the code HTML files. So the way it will work is that you will go into the deploy section, you will create new deployment, and then you will select as web app like this, and you can name it something you like to name. And on web app section, you will create as me and who has access, anyone who has access. You select anyone here, and then you will deploy it. Once you deploy it, it will ask for the authorizations. And once you authorize this app like this, authorize access, and you will sign it with your username and go to advanced and go to uniform inventory system like this. Go to uniform inventory unsafe. You will click this thing and it will ask another permission. You'll click allow, and once you allow it, the web app would be ready. That is how simple it is. Now this is the link for the web app. You can copy it and paste it somewhere like here so that you can keep track of it. You can close this thing. Now the web app is ready. All you have to do is go to this link and share it with your employees or someone who is going to manage the sheet for you. So now we have the user. We had set the username and passwords here. You will see the same username and passwords here. Let's say we sign it using Lara. 123456 is the username. Which once you sign in, we will see this sheet, and it's very simple to use. Let's say we sign in with ABC. Okay. Okay, we signed up our on our account. Now what we need to do is, let's say, first thing we need to do is add employees. We don't currently have any employees, so basically we'll add some employees. Let's say we add Mike, and he's the owner. So anything we add here will be get added back in the Google Sheet automatically. Yeah, it will work perfectly fine. You see, let me show this to you. On the employee section, you see my got added. Let me add another one. Let's say I add Lau as well, and she's a female, and her designation is manager. So shop one, and let's say add employer, and it will take 2 seconds to add. Now you will see the Lara also got added here. Now next thing we need to do is add certain uniforms. Let's say we buy polo t-shirts, polo shirts for our company. By its category will be shirts, and it's for gender unisex. So let's say our game order stock is to add uniform. So now we have added the uniform. Basically, we have just added a new category of uniform. So this should be shown in the uniform catalog. You see polo shirts got added. It's shirts and minimum stock level at which will trigger a warning sign will be 2. Now we need to add an inventory for that particular uh, uniform. Now, so let's say we buy polo shirts from, we currently don't have any polo shirts in our stock. Let's say we buy 100 of these as a new from vendor ABC. It's simple as that. And now once we have bought these shirts, and let's say we bought 100 out of 100, let's say we return them like 20 were returned because they were returned to supplied because bad quality. It's just so comprehensive. It covers every possible scenario. So this got will be added back in now. Our new stock is available for us is 20 because we turned 20. Now let's issue some uniforms. Let's say Lara got issued a uniform. Let's say we issued 2 of these shirts to her, and now and these were all used. So we issue uniform, and once we issue these uniforms, you will see that in uniform assignment sheet, you will see that on this particular date, this particular uniform was issued on this quantity to this particular person. So let's say after some time, Lara wants to return this particular uniform, and once we click this, we know that Lara has 2 of these. So let's say she returns one of it, and it will be returned back to our inventory. Now I can issue the same which was returned back to us into some new employee. Let's say I want to issue it to Mike, and I can issue it to Mike, and Mike doesn't have any uniform currently. Let's say issue uniform. Now it's showing that we have currently 78 new available and one in used stock because one was issued to other employees. So let's say one was issued and now we select which one was issued. It was either it was from new one or the used one. Let's say we issue the used one and then we issue the issue uniform. So this is how simple it is. Every transaction will be get recorded, and now we see that Lara returned one uniform on this particular date, it got returned, and Mike got issued one uniform on this particular date, and it was still added. Now going to sports section, you can create different kind of reports. Let's say summary by inventory, and in summary by inventory, you will see all the details of the shirts you have added, and on summary by employee, you will see all the reports for each employee. Mike's got one t-shirt and Lara got one t-shirt here as well. So this is how it will work. We can add new employees and remove certain employees as well. So this is a complete web app. You can buy it from the link below, or if you want to get it customized and get it customized with your requirements, you can also contact me and I will build the exact or better thing for you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.